Hello 9-Round Nation. Today we're going to work on the back fist. It's a great technique. It's done with the same hand as we would a jab. So we're going to demonstrate for you and show you some key points that you can practice to have a great back fist. All right, get in your stance please, Drew. Notice he's in his normal 10, 12, and 2 stance. And like I said, the back fist is done with the same hand as the jab. So in this case, it's his left hand. Now the difference between the jab and a back fist, obviously the jab goes straight out. He's hitting his target in the front side. Now on a back fist, you're going to go around to the side of the target and you're going to hit with the back of the hand. Where the 9R is, he extends it. Now, the way a back fist initially starts is the elbow comes out to aim at the target. Kind of like you would think a round kick. You know how you chamber your knee and you point your knee at your target? It's the same thing with the elbow because it is the same mechanism. It's a hinge joint. So it's going to come out here, boom, and strike the target just like so. If you are using this as a weapon, you could strike to the side of the face, the jawline, or the temple. It's a great place to aim a back fist to, okay? It's a very quick technique. It's not made for a power technique. It's made for quickness, okay? Let's see a good back fist. Boom, good. One more time, boom. Now remember, the footwork can be the same as a jab, but it can be with the back fist. So he can take the front foot, take a little step, boom, and back fist. And what he's doing is he's getting a little more reach on his back fist. The other type of footwork is kind of a lean and get a little more distance with that back fist as well. Remember, same rule, one connecting, one protecting. The other hand has to be up to protect your noggin just in case something happens, okay? So always remember that. So play with that, have a good back fist, and we'll see you next time.